All right, so I entered here because I got my signal. I'm not 100%. Well, I like this to move further. I like chart to move one direction further up or down before it reverse. So this only went up just a little bit. Let's see here. Only 131 pips. I like to see like close to 200 or over 200 before it reverses. But I entered because this what time is it? 10:30 candle. It looks like it was failed to go up higher, and then next candle broke low of that candle, and I use MACD to as my indicator to go in or not. So that failed the candle turned MACD from buy to sell, and then next candle broke below that. So let's see if this continues down. So my stop loss is 25 pips, which is nice in this case because it's above the entry candle. And then my profit target is 112 pips away, ticks away actually. And so we'll see. And then once this candles start closing, I'm gonna trail below the candle. So we will see here what happens. Each candle is 15 minutes. I'm trading on 15-minute chart. So some days I'll be so anxious just to close or move to break even or trail, or like right now it went down 20 plus ticks, and then now it's going back up, and now it's almost break even where I entered. So that makes me a little anxious to hold this trade, but my back testing shows that my strategy works over time. So I just have to trust that and follow my strategy, which sometimes is hard. Also, I'm thinking yesterday was first day after Donald Trump swore in. Inauguration was yesterday. I mean, inauguration was on Monday, and Tuesday was the first day the market opened, and it just went straight up. It was all just very little down candles, and it was all up candle. So in my mind, I'm thinking, is today gonna have a similar as yesterday or not? It's gonna be just keep going up today as well, which my strategy is reverse strategy. So if that happens, there's nothing I can do. It's just not my setup. So that just crossed my mind, that what if this, there's not enough sellers in the market today to push it down. So that adds to my anxiousness of, should I close this position now? Should I trail stop? Should I leave it alone? Yeah, so those things are going through my head right now. Alright, so that candle broke previous candle. So at this point, I'll move to break even, because if this comes back up and reverse here, that's like a fake out, right? This candle failed to go lower, so there's a chance that it will reverse back up. The another thing that I should really watch out for is low of this candle as well. So that was like, I call it like opening low. So this was 9:30 candle opened, next candle went a little lower, so that low might act it as a support, so it might have a hard time breaking that. So I will see how this candle reacts when it gets there. So at this point, I'll trail it to just below that candle. I'm really not loving what this candle is doing right now. I feel like it's having a hard time breaking that low. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trail here now. And then I might think to just get out. I just got out.
Order filled.
So that's my trade. So I make one trade a day. That's it. Okay, bye.